To understand MCP, we first need to understand one important limitation of large language models. A language model on its own cannot access the outside world. It cannot search the internet, read your files, or take actions. It can only generate responses based on the input it is given. To make models more useful, we started giving them access to tools. These tools can be APIs, databases, file systems, or web search. This allowed the models to get real information and perform tasks, not just generate text. But this created a new problem. Every tool was built differently. Each one had its own format and its own rules. Because of this, developers had to handle every tool separately. This made systems complex and difficult to manage. It also did not scale. Adding more tools meant more work every time. The model could also get confused because there was no consistent way to understand or use these tools. Systems became less reliable and harder to maintain. Even the tools made models more powerful, they also made things more complicated. And this is where MCP comes in. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is a standard that sits between the model and the tools. It defines how the model communicates with tools and how tools respond back. With MCP, tools are designed exposed through MCP servers in a common format. Each tool clearly describes what it does, what input it needs, and what output it returns. Because of this, the model does not need special handling for every tool. It can use any tool that follows the MCP standard. So instead of many different connections, we now have one consistent system. MCP is not just about adding tools, it is about making tool usage structured, reliable, and scalable. In simple terms, MCP creates a clear and standard way for AI models to connect with real world systems. And that is what allows AI to move from just generating answers to actually getting things done.